Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring to you all the exciting and new things that came about in the month of February. We have some amazing new builds coming off the assembly line, such as Project Guga Muga. Again, very interesting build. Constant green with sand accents, eggshell finish, and a camouflaged interior that looked like nothing else we've ever built before. Also, we've got, of course, along the lines of more modern styling, more aggressive D110s, Project Daywalker, which is a carpathian gray vehicle with 20-inch wheels, black accents around, that looks very amazing as well. Then on contrast, we have Project New Pacific, which is more of a retro heritage style of build with a traditional color scheme in Arliss blue body color and a rooftop in Charlton white and matching wheel sets. And lastly, we have Project Blade Runner. That was a very unique looking Defender 110 crew cab, more on the sportier side, aggressive lines of course, but with really nice accents in black all throughout against its body color. Now, our featured articles this month explain how long it might take to build a custom Land Rover and also the evolution of the Land Rover Defender. Now, our video of the month highlights an amazing Defender 110 going on a wild adventure through the Arizona desert. We also have some very interesting press features. We cover our 600th truck built by E.C.D and also featuring some articles by Urban Matter, Car Buzz, Tip Ranks, and Cerebral Overload. To get full details on these articles, just visit our E.C.D Impress section on our website. Don't forget to check out our Defender and Range Rover Classic configurators, where you can have a lot of fun going through different options that we offer on these amazing vehicles. And don't forget to stay connected with everything happening here at E.C.D. Please visit our YouTube channel, our social media platforms, as well as our blogs. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.